Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a Bantu knot, which is perfect for someone who is transitioning from relaxed hair who wants to go natural. If you follow my instructions from beginning to end, you should be achieving the Bantu knot just exactly how I do it in the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment. I notice a lot of you guys who view my videos are not subscribed, so subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you guys are always notified every time I drop a video. So with that being said, let's get to the video. So we're gonna start off by sectioning the hair and blow drying it. I'm doing this style on blow dried hair. I have done it on wet hair. Wasn't too pleased with the results. Maybe I was impatient and didn't let it dry long enough. I don't know. But with that being said, we're gonna do it on some dry hair. So I probably should be using some kind of heat protectant oil, but I don't have that because I don't dry my hair often like that. So I'm gonna just be using this oil, the jojoba oil, whatever. Hydrates and conditions, so I'm assuming it's gonna be good enough, okay?
All them nights that you can satisfy me. I see what believing you got me. Gave you the world, but you didn't. Can you keep up? Can you keep up? Can you keep up? Can you keep up?
So my hair is completely blow dried now, and don't be coming for me in the comments. I know my ends need to be trimmed. I know you can see right through them. It's okay, don't even worry about it. We're gonna start in the back. I always start in the back and work my way to the front. So we're gonna take our rat tail comb, or whatever comb you prefer using. You already know I prefer a rat tail, it's easier to part with, okay? So I'm gonna start in the back. You should have about this much hair to work with. Honestly, you can do them as big or as small as you want to. I prefer to do them medium to big. Maybe medium is a better term. What? Yeah, I like them about that size, medium. I'm gonna start by applying some oil to my hair. And go and comb that through. Then I'm gonna use this Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed Style and Shine recipe. Okay, so when you guys do the Bantu knot, you don't want to start too close to your head because it's going to be super tight, okay? And Bantu knots, the more you twist, it gets tighter once you get closer to your scalp, okay? So I'm going to start twisting about here, okay? So I'm just going to twist. And I need product on the end because look at that hot mess. I need product on the end. And then I'm just gonna comb that product through. And I'm gonna keep twisting, okay? Now, see how it's starting to twist, right? So now I'm gonna just go in the same direction that it's twisting in. Now I'm going to keep twisting all the way around, and I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath. Now you can use a bobby pin if you need to. You understand the facts that I'm trying to give to you. Go Bantu, go Bantu. Okay, cool. I know earlier I was like work back to front, now I'm going front to back. So at this point I'm just throwing knots on my scalp, okay? Like whichever direction my hand is flowing, that's the way I'm gonna do the knot. And be aware of hair from other sections, you know, creeping its way onto the part where you're trying to twist, because that will happen and you'll end up twisting in hair that don't belong in that section. Then when you go to part another section, you're gonna feel it pull because it don't belong in there. Hang in there because I am. My arms are burnt. Now, when you're twisting the Bantu knot, if it seems to get tight when you're twisting, just loosen it up in the opposite direction and keep twisting, okay? So now I'm gonna just go through the parts of my hair with some tea tree oil, okay?
2 days later.
Okay, so I'm gonna put some oil on my hands. Oops, I forgot a bobby pin. So we're gonna start by taking the piece that we tucked under, okay? And you're just gonna slowly unravel it. Boom. There you have it. So far, so good. So what you're gonna do is just pull your hair apart. I would kind of start from towards the bottom, the ends, and I will go very slow, at least with my hair, because my hair could frizz very quickly. Ooh, I thought.
Why do we keep doing that?
Let me keep going. Let me stop. Maybe I could, maybe if I pick it out. This is not cool, guys. I should have kept it just at the Bantu with not the knot out, okay? I worked real hard on this for y'all. I really did. I feel like with me messing with it, it might be looking like something. Okay, y'all, I'm not mad at it. The devil tried me, but he didn't get his way. No, he didn't. He didn't get his way today, okay? No, ma'am, not on my watch.
I'm starting to believe that I'm way too much for you. All that talk, but it seems like it can't come through. All them lies that could satisfy me. Now I see what believing you got me.
Okay. It's a little, my hair is a little frizzy, but I know what it is. It's because of my end. That's my fault. That's my fault for not getting the ends trimmed. So, but the hairstyle I think still came out pretty good. Gotta have a hoop. Because the hoop is what completes it, okay? Come on, bamboo earring, come on. See, you don't even pay attention to the ends now. My ends don't even look raggedy with the hoops. They don't even look raggedy with the hoops. Okay, she's cute. Okay, y'all, so here you have your Bantu knot out.
Oh, like you just don't have a clue. Didn't mama teach you to give affection? Know the difference from a man and an adolescent? Can you keep up? Can you keep up? Can you
Until next time, peace.